Hi, welcome back to Cha Cha Toys. Okay, in this video, I'm not gonna show you the gachapon review, but I'm gonna show you the squishy review. Okay, without further ado, let's review the first item. Okay, the first item let me show you is this marshmallow ice. Actually bought it all from Japan. What attracted me is of the colorful packaging and the marshmallow ice itself. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. Okay, and the best thing is it is super soft. Okay, even the stick itself is squishy. It is super soft. And the best part is scent. It has a sweet scent. And the way this marshmallow ice is actually up for sale, it has 3 colors, but the 2 of them is sold out, so I only left with these marshmallow ice. I only left with these last one. So as per normal, if you guys wish to get this marshmallow ice, you guys can actually click on the link below on the store envy to purchase the item. The next one I'm gonna show you is this unicorn donut. Okay, this unicorn donut, this is how it looks like. Okay, it has a ribbon, has glittery stars, has a unicorn tail, some drizzles of sauce, and the best part, it has a ear and the unicorn horn. Okay, so should I open it up and let you guys see? Oh no, it has a cute little horn, but it's not, it is squishy, but it's not slow rising. Okay, you guys can see from here. Okay, let me see how is it like. If I open this up and let you guys see what is it. Okay, this is how it looks like, but it's soft. Okay, it has a mini here, some unicorn. It's quite soft though, somehow quite slow rising actually, but it's not that super slow rising, but it is slow rising. What I'm talking about. I love the details. Okay, the next one I'm gonna show you is the Mickey Mouse or Disney bagels. I think bagels, a sandwich or something like that. This is how it looks like. I have this a lot. Okay guys, you can actually purchase this at a cheaper price. It is not it is squishy, but it's not slow rising. It's quite soft, in between soft and dense kind of thing, and it has a tag with it which you can hang it, and it's original, authentic. Okay, and the next one is the Mickey Mouse pizza bun, I guess. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna show you this super squishy Snoopy mascot. This is Charlie Brown. As you can see here, I love the packaging, so cute. You can see there. This is how it looks like. Should I open up for you guys? Okay, let's open this up. Let's open this up and let you guys see how is it. Let you guys see how it looks like inside. Okay, this is how it looks like. Super soft and super slow rising as well. Wow, it is slow rising. It is authentic as well. Okay, that's all for this squishy series. So stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you wish to get these items, so please do so. Click on the link below and Store MV Chacha Mini Shop, or you can actually go to, for the Singapore base, you can actually go to Carousel and Chacha Mini Shop. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.